Hey, to take a screenshot on your Android phone, you've got a few options. The first one, very common, with the volume buttons and the power button. So when you have the power button and the volume down button, click on them together and the screenshot will be taken. One more time, just like that. Second option that you can use to take the screenshot is to open this notification panel, and you have to take a look for the screenshot icon. If it doesn't appear right here, you can click on this small pencil to adjust your notification panel, and right now slowly scroll down and take a look if you have this option right here. As you can see, in my case this option is not available, but I can, for example, record screen. So the second method to take the screenshot, you can open this background applications by holding your finger and then tap on the screenshot. And as you can see, it was taken right now from the application that it was in the background. If I want to do this from this application, I can also do this like that. And there's also sometimes some kind of the gestures that you can use. So when you open the settings and tap on the search pool and then type screenshot, as you can see, in my case, I've got this option right here to allow the assistant app to access an image. Oh, that's not this one, sorry. I have to scroll down and go for the system, go to the gestures, and here I have this option, quick to tap to start the actions. And right now, when I'm gonna turn it on and select to take the screenshot, right now when I double tap, the screenshot will be taken. So we have to also search for this settings in your smartphone. But the most common option to take the screenshot is to use the combination of the two buttons, power button and the volume down button, or power button and the volume up button. So we have to check how it works in your case. And that's all. Bye bye.